Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share different design ideas, stylized patterns, or very beautiful hand embroidery floral patterns that could be specifically designed onto your shirts, kameez, kurti, gown as well as per your choice and level of interest. But guys, before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Guys, the beauty and creativity of the designs would be more beautiful and enlightened if you would prefer to make hand embroidery patterns. But the scope is not only limited to this. You can design your sari pallus, you can design your dupatta, strollers, even you can use these very beautiful patterns as motifs or embroidery borders could be used for making a shirt, kurti, whole full front fully embroidered. Different type of stylized pattern and ideas have been shared. Guys, this video contains different type of hand embroidery borders, borderline embroidery that could be used for sleeve embroidery, for shirt or kurti front embroidery. Even you can also use this borderline embroidery for creating hemline embroidery also. So different stylized patterns for creating a very beautiful and decent and elegant sleek touch to your everyday outfits. You can just go with the flow of these very beautiful and creative designs. Guys, I would recommend you to do try these patterns and share your experiences with us, that which design was your favorite and why. Guys, I want you to do comment the name of your country in the comment section so that we could get to know from which geographical regions of the world our YouTube friends and family members are here. And do mention any type of request or any type of opinion or idea that you want to give us so that we could improve in future and could represent a very beautiful and creative amounts of handwork and hand art. So guys, with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end. So please guys, do subscribe, and you can also subscribe from other devices to increase the number of YouTube friends and family members. And I would again request you to leave comments, press the like button, and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos to get more amazing and entertaining ideas related to the embroidery fashion world. Guys, you can also create peacock embroidery for to give a more elegant and decent touch to your embroidery patterns.